Yo, what's up everybody? It's Mason Creasy. How's everybody doing today? Package came from Amazon. Oh. Okay. Let's see. That one again. Oh, this is the right way. Hang on, guys. Oh, there's two sides of the box. Guys, I love these. Oh. Okay. Let's open these bad boys up. So it says plug and play, 20 meters of accessible reputation, phrase audio radio, clear treble, highly sensitive, windy compatible. I just gotta see. I'm gonna. Ooh. Oh my god. C charger. I just hope these bad boys work, to be honest. Came with the C. I can just put these. I gotta turn on my mom's light. Oh, like that. Oop. I guess the wrong way. Hang on. Clip it on my shirt. Take that blue sticker off. Take the other blue sticker off. Take that off. The other one is right here. Just hoping you guys can hear me more in these. Hold on the power button. Let's plug this bad boy in. I'm not sure how this thing actually works, but does it say Bluetooth on it? Because I do believe it's on. Okay, let's read it. It doesn't say Bluetooth. These are for vlogs, also. I hope you guys can hear me on this, to be honest. But let's take it out. I'm just hoping it works. But I got two of them. I'm gonna turn this off. It's off. I got two. Also a charger for these. The charger port's right there. And C charger. Because I got the iPhone 15, so it's a C charger. So I'm gonna start making YouTube videos with these. Well, I love you guys. Short video. Just unboxing video. Okay. Alright, guys. I love you guys. Amazing Chris out. Peace.